to Unity and create a new project. We're going to use a 3D template and call this project as VR testing 1, 2, 3 and create. Let's just wait for a few moments. Let the system to initialize the project for us. Almost there. Okay, we are in now. So just an empty scene with the main camera and direction light there. Main camera is here, direction light is here. Okay, we don't have to worry about them for now. We are going to create our terrain first, our environment. Okay, so go to game object, create a 3D object, and go to terrain. Create a terrain. Okay, and let's see, zoom in a little bit. So we are going to create the terrain in this plate. It should be around 1000 meters by 1000 meters by default. Okay, let's see. Okay, and let's move it. That's it now. Okay, it's here. So we're going to create some real terrain, mountains, okay, and use this inspector feature. Okay, create some mountains in this 1000 by 1000 meters area. Okay, and change this. Then we can have new structures. Okay. Okay, make it really tall. Okay. And create an environment like in the movie Avatar. And okay, that should be good. And next, we are going to give it some color to the terrain. So we have to create the terrain color material. And so go to Assets, create a material. And we call this new material is the terrain color. Okay. Terrain color. Okay, and we change the color in the inspector window. Okay, how about change it into green? A little bit dark. Okay, oh, lighter. Okay, so this is to create the material. Okay, now we have the asset, terrain color. We need to apply it onto the terrain. So create terrain and okay, how about drag and put it here. It's not changing. Okay, here, terrain settings. And the material for this terrain, we can make changes. And just created, where is it? Yeah, here, terrain color. Wow, it's really green. Okay, that's all right. Now we need to reposition our camera, main camera. No change on this. Accidentally change the hierarchy. No. So main camera, we reposition it into the center area of this terrain. So it should be position 500 and C is 500. So it's above the ground, but let's make it 20 meters high, 20 units. We can see there's 20 meters. Okay. Okay. Next, we are going to import the package for Google Cardboard VR. So go to Window and go to Package Manager, Fetching Packages. We are going to add a package from Get URL. Okay. And the URL should be https github.com Google VR and Cardboard XR plugin.git. Okay. Add, and it should import the package for us. Still running in the background. No sign at all. So add package from Get URL. We have typed in https github.com Google VR Cardboard XR. Okay, it's imported already. So we don't have to redo it. Okay, it's imported successfully. Okay, just quietly at the background. Okay, anyways, we are good for now. And next, we are going to convert our main camera into XR rig. So go to Game Object, XR, convert main camera to XR rig. Okay, so main camera in the hierarchy is under main camera, it's under XR rig here. So that's good. So let's take a look at the position. Okay, so XR rig is in 500 position above the ground is 20 units above. Okay, so that's good. On the next, we need to change the build settings. So go to File, Build Settings. We're going to build an app for iPhone. So it should be iOS. Okay, add open scenes and switch platform. Okay, success. Then we're going to set up the player settings. In player settings, let's make sure that XR plugin management. Okay, cardboard XR plugin is available. So let's select it and go to player and the company name. How about let's call it the VR Wonderland. So product name, we are testing 1, 2, 3. That's all right. And go to resolution and presentation. We need to change the default orientation, the landscape left for our smartphone. And then we go to other settings. And here we need to disable this AutoGraphics API. And for graphics APIs, we need to add in OpenGLES2. Okay, and disable this method. So we keep this OpenGLES2 only. And next, we want to make sure that the bundle identifier name says we are testing 1, 2, 3, the vrwonderland.com. Okay, that's all right. And we want to make sure it's for iPhone and iPad. And for device, and the target minimum iOS version should be at least 11.0. And make sure the architecture is ARM64. So we are good. Okay. Close the settings. Close the settings. And what we're going to do next, we're going to build it, build and run. Okay, and okay, we can go from here, file, build and run. And we are going to save the target package as we are testing 1, 2, 3. I'll put Xcode. Okay, in order to put the code, running code into onto our iPhone, we have to use the Xcode. So we call this and save. Okay, let's just wait for a few moments. It will convert this project into Xcode package. So it's still converting. Okay, Xcode is started automatically, and we connect my iPhone to the computer. So it indicates that my iPhone is connected. So it's processing automatically, but I expect that we still need to do something for it to install onto my phone. Let's see. Just wait for a few moments. So now, okay, I have to go to Xcode. Yeah, it's still running. Still processing the files inside Xcode. So we have left Unity already. So you see, we use Unity and Xcode for this project. Okay. And so what's going on now? So nothing changed on my iPhone, so it's not installed yet. I expect that we still need to do something for it to install successfully. So we need to go to Unity iPhone, go to Sign In and the Capabilities. Okay. Select automatically okay, manage signing. And then we sign using the team member. Okay, this is my name, my project. Okay, the bundle identifier. Okay, that's it. And now we can continue. You can build and then run the current scheme. So this will complete the job. Build the Xcode and then install it onto my iPhone. And it's compiling. Installing, that's good. And running. Okay, I can see it on my phone now. Let's see what we have developed and using the Google Cardboard. Okay. So here's what we see using the Google Cardboard. So I can turn around, turn left, and see the terrains at the left hand side, at the back, okay, and turn right, and the terrains at the right hand side, at the back, okay, I can turn up, looking up, okay, I can see the sun, the sky, and looking down, see the terrain at the foot, okay, and so I can turn around to see around in the position of 500 by 500 location. Okay, and it's in it's not exactly in the center of the terrain. The terrain size should be 2000 by 2000 by default. So we are in the 500 by 500 position. And if I walk forward, there's nothing change. Walk backward, I can see that the terrain is following me. It's like a fixed to my head. Okay, so yeah, we are developing a Google Cardboard app. So it's in 3 degrees of freedom, and we can only turn around. Okay, yeah, we cannot move around with the terrain like such a size, big size. If there are many different views in different places, we want to move around how to do that. So in the next video, we are going to show how to use a C# script to enable the user, the player, to move around, to see around virtually without physically moving.